Oh my goodness, Vechain prices pumps up. Can you see this time, my friend? All crypto market is uncomfortable. Every coin were very badly face down, but Vechain will take a very short and very huge jump. So therefore, my friend, I just only my friend advice for all my viewers, my subscriber. Please remember, I cannot make any financial video. Therefore, please before you take any decision, research personally. All right. So Vechain price is increasing, my friend. I think that's really good for me, for all holders who invest, my friend, and Vechain, because my brother, absolutely after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore I am just only waiting from last 10 days, my friends, to win their pumps up to I just get a profit. But this time you can see here everything is going very good. So therefore I'm really impressed now and really like, my friend, the way. And one more, my friends, good news for all of you, to the very huge explosion is coming soon. Definitely, my friend, it's really good news for all of you, to the very huge explosion is coming soon. And my friend, I will talk about you the last days of this month. In last days every coin will completely go to the moon. So therefore I am 100% sure to reach and will also get a very good profit. So you will need, my friends, to don't miss this chance and take a risk and get 100% profit. How you can get a profit, my friends? First of all, you will need to hold, and you if you have any plan to invest more, so this time the price is increasing, and when a price is increasing you will need to invest more and more. So see you next time. Wishing coin holders, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will give you very good profit. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.